Welcome back to Cognitive Edge. Today, we are dismantling the biological cycle of procrastination in exactly 5 minutes. If you regularly put things off, you likely assume you are lazy or that you simply have terrible time management. You are not lazy. Procrastination is strictly an emotion management problem. Inside your head is a battle. Your prefrontal cortex wants success, but your ancient amygdala perceives hard work as a literal threat. It creates limbic friction, hitting the emergency brake and paralyzing you to protect your energy. Opening social media is not a random distraction. It is your brain seeking cheap dopamine to soothe the anxiety generated by that looming project. Because willpower cannot defeat a 2-million-year-old biological defense mechanism, you must use the 5-minute protocol to bypass your brain's alarm system. Step 1 is setting up your physical environment. Gather the specific task you have been dreading, grab a timer, and clear your workspace of all other distractions. Next, isolate the threat. Select only one specific project you are actively avoiding and place it right in front of you. Close all unrelated tabs. If you leave multiple windows open, your brain processes them as competing threats, which maintains your resistance to starting. Your brain is overwhelmed by the size of the project, so you must shrink the mountain. By drastically lowering the barrier to entry, you prevent the amygdala from treating the amygdala like a predator. Open a timer app and set it for exactly 5 minutes. Now, make a psychological contract with yourself. You are making a binding deal that you will work for 5 minutes, and you are completely free to quit the moment that timer ends. This fails if you secretly expect to work for an hour. If you lie to yourself, you invalidate the contract, and the amygdala's emergency brake stays engaged. You must give yourself permission to stop. If you walk away after those 5 minutes, it is a success. The only goal of this protocol is to conquer the friction of starting, not to finish the entire project in one sitting. Before you begin, identify the absolute smallest micro-action you can take. You need to know exactly what your hands will do the second the timer starts. 5 minutes is such a microscopic amount of time that your amygdala's threat detection fails to register it. Biological resistance evaporates. Hit start on your timer and immediately execute your chosen microaction. As you act, you cross the threshold. The dread you anticipated is met with the reality of physical movement. This forces limbic friction to drop. Once you are in motion, the biological resistance that kept you stuck begins to dissipate. Completing those initial microactions triggers a release of dopamine. This internal reward begins to replace the anxiety you felt just moments ago. The total paralysis you experienced before starting is physically impossible to maintain once your body is in motion. Consider the moment the 5-minute alarm sounds. Stop and evaluate your state. Note the absence of the initial overwhelming stress. At this point, you have 2 choices: stop working entirely or continue the task. This works because once friction is neutralized, the cost of stopping actually exceeds the cost of staying in motion. The momentum from those first few dopamine hits makes it much easier to sustain your focus well beyond the initial 5 minutes. Momentum is self-sustaining. Once your brain learns it can generate its own dopamine through progress, it stops hunting for cheap distractions. By disrupting your task paralysis, you have successfully shifted from a state of avoidance to a state of movement. You never lacked motivation. You simply had a biological barrier that was set too high. Overcoming procrastination requires lowering that barrier to entry and working with your brain's design rather than against it. If this protocol helped you start your task today, subscribe. We rewire the mind every week here at Cognitive Edge. Now, ride this momentum into the rest of your work. You have the power to rewire your mind on demand. See you in the next one.